Alcohol can alter your mood, it can cause change in the body, and it can become habit farming. You become an alcoholic, you can't do nothing unless you take one lead drink. And when you don't take that lead drink, you start to shiver and tremble like this, like me. Why? Because you want it. You become addicted. No make we get addicted to no substance. If you want addiction, get addicted to the word of God. Get addicted to the Bible. Read the Bible every day. And make God take control of your life. Right now we're young and we take it lightly. But tomorrow, the same thing will unfold in your life. And that you have to make one decision. Whether you are still positive or you're going the next way. And the devil is out there busy. You know who is the target? Young people like you. Young people the devil is the target. I have to say it. I don't want to say it, but I have to say it. Many young girls lose their self because of alcohol. Many young girls. Not only young girls, young boys too. You think like men are the target man? Man the target man. Just like how the men the target the young girl, they the target the young boy too. So be careful. Lot of young men out there where they pray for young people. I know what will be the easiest way when they give you alcohol to drink. You lose your senses. And when you get up in the morning, hey, that's not you. That's something else. But it don't happen already. When you use alcohol, it impairs your judgment. It decreases your self-control. You're uncontrollable. You can't control yourself no more. Then you think you're the biggest and the baddest person. You could beat up the world. But you drunk, you can't even stand up for 1 foot. But you want to fight. It slows the reaction. Alcohol slows the reaction. And you got slurred speech. So when you see the drunken man, you don't even know what it is. And I tell you one thing over and over 50 times. My first encounter with alcohol at the age of what? 15? And my pa introduced me to alcohol, my pa. Gone to high school, first form, I had pain in the belly. And I tell my mother I have pain in the belly, man. And when I could use, she said, go into the room. We'll battle it with Gamfia water. You take one little sip of it and everything will be alright. I take the Gamfia water and I drink it and I go to school. But the pain in the belly returned. The following day, I tell my pa, he said, alright, I said in the room, go back in the same room. We'll battle the evening with some stick in the battle. Huh? Bitter stick. Richness? No, you're deadly. They'll kill you. They'll kill you. So I take the bitter stick with strong alcohol and I take one good shot. Bam! The pain in the belly gone and I go to school. When I reach the school, I still drunk. The following day, I tell my pa, I got pain in the belly again. The following day, I tell my pa, I got pain in the belly again. A whole week, I have pain in the belly. Just to get a little shot at the thing. And body, I start to like it. That every morning, I want it. You start to farm as a habit. The first introduction to you, it becomes a habit farming. you will start to like it. But it's detrimental to your health because down the line, you will feel the consequences of it. To the brain, alcohol will damage the brain. To the heart, it will enlarge your heart. And if it enlarges your heart, everything will happen to you. Once your heart gets big, what will happen to you? You will get heart attack or your heart will bust. And if you want to live long enough, then you have to abstain from letting this, we will damage the heart, the liver, swell the liver, you cause cirrhosis of the liver. Where you do the lungs, you swell the lungs and cause infection. And we don't want no infection in the system. We don't have a pure body. I thank God for my health. I'm 61. I'm 61. And you know what? I drink alcohol free. I drink alcohol for 30 years plus. I smoke cigarette for 30 years plus. I smoke crack cocaine for 17 years. And God freed me. I got in the jail 15 times in my life. That's something to laugh after. The sex organ, impotence, inability to have sex. So then when you are grow old, you are being mature, you have become a man. And when you get mature and become a man, you have your wife. And you have to satisfy your wife when you have that time, when that time comes. Right now you can't even think about that, because you can't do nothing to yourself. You can't do nothing to yourself. So don't even think about girlfriend and boyfriend. That's supposed to be out of your mind. Right now the education is supposed to be think about. But the time will come when you have your wife and your family. And if you continue to consume alcohol, then you kill your nature. You can't have their feelings and none at all. Stomach, ulcerated stomach to the laugh. Ulcerated stomach. Everything we are putting in your belly, you are kept it all back. Muscles, weakness, and last are fissure. Anybody got any question in reference to alcohol? We'll entertain 2 or 3 questions. I know I'm not drink it yet. Please don't try it. And if you don't try it, left it alone. We're going to tobacco. Yes, ma'am. Huh? Tell me. Alcohol makes you smell bad. It gives you bad breath. Your mouth stinks because of alcohol. When you drink too much alcohol, you don't even want to bathe. You look like a bump on the street. We're going to smoking. We call it tobacco and nicotine. Yes. Right there. With the alcohol. Huh? Huh? You mean a smoking it? You don't really like? Your ID. Yes. With the alcohol. It damages your lungs. Yes. It damages your heart. And then an important organ in the body, yes. Huh? Wine alcohol. What's the fermenting? But you know what they say? They say Jesus turned water into wine. Yeah? He turned water into wine. But what? If you want to make wine, what you have to do? You have to get the bucket. You have to put rice in there. You have to put sugar in there. You have to put yeast in there. Some people put baking powder in there and then you ferment. Anything will ferment the alcohol. So when Jesus made wine, water into wine, he never fermented. No kind of fermentation, you only speak. And Jesus will not give you alcohol to drink. He's saying in the Bible, "Oh, unto him that give his neighbor liquor to drink." You hang out with me, you are drink water all day like me. And I buy no alcohol for you, I buy water for you, I buy your food. Yeah, I buy juice for you. I buy juice for you. Smoking. Tobacco or nicotine. You got two types of tobacco. You have the chewing tobacco and you have the smoking tobacco. When I'm a young kid, my granny, she used to have a pipe. And this pipe, she put tobacco in there and she smoked. And anytime she started to smoke this pipe, and look here, when a roach they pass over there, and she spits on them, but the roach dead. He can't move. Huh? Too much chemical. And that's the way they do to you. Tobacco contains 3 very dangerous chemicals. 1. Huh? Black poisoning in tobacco? I don't believe. I think so. I think so. They put anything in there. Alright, yes, we are come to question and answer. 3 dangerous chemicals nicotine have. Cigarettes have. 1, nicotine, it has tar and it has carbon monoxide. Tar and carbon monoxide are very dangerous. What is carbon monoxide? You see, that big truck we just passed, all that thing where they blow up back. That's a poison. And that's the way in a cigarette. Very habit forming. You could smoke 1 cigarette. Then you say, I smoke occasionally. Then tomorrow you smoke 2. Then the next day you smoke 3. Then next week you smoke a whole pack. Then next month you smoke a whole cartoon. So every cigarette where a person smokes, it takes 5% off your life. So you shorten your life to every cigarette you smoke, you shorten your life. Who want to live long? Everybody most naturally everybody want to live long. I want to live long. I'm 61 now, I want to live 61 more years and look just like this. You know what the Sergeant General put for the cigarette pack? He says cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. And that the Sergeant General says so, you know. Says cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. So some of it say, okay, when you're in the same room and your daddy smoke, your brother smoke, you the smoke too because you inhale the same thing whether they pass out. Second-hand smoking is very dangerous. It's worse than you who use it. Don't forget to tell mommy and daddy, you pollute me, go smoke outside. Or you put the sign by the door as you enter, no smoking. Smoking is prohibited. You have a life to live, you know. Mommy and daddy will pass you. And if you ask mommy or daddy right now, why you smoke? What you mean I say, why your daddy smoke or why people smoke? Next. Depression? Yes. Yes. Huh? You feel good because you smoke? Bring them, get about. Some people say, alright, put down hand. Some people say, when you say, why you smoke? I smoke because my pa smoke. They don't got no reason to smoke. Because your pa smoke, you smoke. That don't know a good reason to make you smoke. So if your pa decides to go for the highest detail tower and throw down yourself for it, because your pa do that, you agree? You agree? Then why you follow him? Why you follow him for? When you smoke cigarette, it shortens your breath. It gives you bad breath. It gives you wheezing. It gives you asthma. I tell you the things that you're not involved in other things that is dangerous, it's deadly for your health. It strengthens the blood vessels. It gives you high blood pressure. The heart, possible heart attack. The lungs can lead to incurable cancer. And cancer already kill off the people nowadays. Cancer. You have all kinds of cancer. And there was incurable disease. You hear me? There was what?
Incurable disease.
The doctor don't have no remedy for it. The doctor don't have no remedy for it. The mouth, they give you cancer in the mouth. We're going to this next one now. Breast cancer, colon cancer, all kinds of cancer. Cancer, what is happening by itself? In your throat, have a cigarette? Wait. I will answer a question. Right? Just give me a little time. We're going to our next one. And this one got a lot of names. I know it as marijuana. What all name they have for it? Weed? Ganja? Huh? No, not marijuana we talk about. Ganja? Weed? Huh? Bad man? How that go? Palmar? Cigarette? That different from marijuana. Cigarette is cigarette, marijuana, marijuana. Mary Jane, what do you call it? Weed, Mary Jane, indica, all kind of names you call it. What kind of drug? Kind of drug. Marijuana, yes. Huh? Kosher? Yeah, you kosher too. Marijuana contains more than 400 chemicals, including mind-altering. 400 chemicals that are already put in your system when you smoke marijuana. Marijuana deadly and dangerous to your health, that are poison. Not poison yourself at a young age. Live life and live comfortably. Marijuana make your mood change. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel bad. Short term, and you catch me right now. What marijuana do to me as a person? It make I forgetful. My brain don't fry. My brain don't bake. Sometimes I talk and I forget where I talk about why. Because of the abuse I do to my body. Forgetful. I talk about half and I jump on the cat. Marijuana give you red eyes. Look at your eye, look at your eye, red, red, red. Marijuana, it kills the brain cells. It could give you a heart attack. It got cancer agents in there, just like tobacco. It gives you possible lung cancer. The sex organ again, you always all chemicals and drugs work for your sex organs. And as a man, you're supposed to try and keep your masculinity. But we're young, but I want to make you know one thing. In this world today, we only have two sexes. Gender. Yeah, we like call it gender, but I call it sex too. You're either male or female. Amen. You can't be in between. So preserve your sexuality for the time when you are needed. The chemicals, they will kill the sexuality. Cocaine. Because we got two segments. We have finished this segment, we have take our break, then we're going into the second segment, and we are distributing the gifts. I don't want people to long and boring. Because we could stay and I could stay and speak all day. Because I don't got nowhere to go. Nobody can tell me why you have to come work today. I work for myself, I don't work for nobody. Oh, we'll break 12. Okay, good. No problem, miss. Thanks. By the time we are winding down too. Huh, coach? By the time we are winding down. Cocaine. Next one. Highly addictive. You have two types of cocaine. You have the crack cocaine and you have the what? The dust. Yeah. You have two types. You have the dust and you have the crack. The powder form, that way made about, but only the man who got money could have afford that. But for the broke people like me, they make the crack cocaine where you cook it. You take the powder, you put it by fire, you add water, Arm and Hammer soda, you put in your cocaine and you boil it. Then it gets stiff and it gets hard. When it gets hard, you wait till the water cool, then you take it out. And then you start to slice it into smaller pieces so the small man could buy $1 piece, $2 piece, $3 piece, $5 piece. But only the rich person there can afford the powder. And the powder, you snort it. Yeah. How much? $50. How you know that? Yeah, one bag, $50. You know how long it take me to make $50? Then I was spend $50 in a second. You crazy? You crazy? And you snip it, you put it, yeah? The first time I get introduced to crack cocaine, the snipping part. In the military, my ballet come for Marine drop and they bring the crack cocaine, they have powder and they make whole line. Set 2 for me and 2 for you. So he take for his line and he do something. Then he take the next one. And he said, "Are you know?" I said, "Me?" "Yeah, you." When I got so, I blow it. Next note, I blow it. He said, no, so you have to slip it in. And he taught me that was my first introduction to marijuana and cocaine. And we gone to the cafeteria after that, and we drink all night and we don't get drunk. Because the cocaine soak up everything. So you have two types. You have the crack cocaine and you have the cocaine by powder. Highly addictive brain stimulant. Extremely dangerous mind-altering act on the pleasure center of the brain. When snorted or inhaled, powder form change the brain chemistry. Can be sniffed or snorted. The common man use it now as you take it in the crack form, you mash it up, you take the weed, you mash up the weed, And you put the cocaine along with the weed and you roll it up. And you smoke it. You take two different drugs at one time, one upper and one lower. Because the marijuana that was down and that's what keep you down. But the cocaine that was upper, it will keep you the move. So you have mixed two of them there. And that's the way the small man use. But it's very habit farming. You could get hooked up to cocaine in a 6 to 8 weeks. You know how I get hooked up to crack cocaine? I gone to Belize City. I believe I'll be there. While I was serving at the military, see pain a belly come here and talk about. So the morning, I tell the officer I can't go run this morning because I have pain in the belly. So he said, okay, relax. And I relax. After that, they come back for physical training, well, physical away in my life. Because daytime there at the age of 18, 19, I could have run mile and a half in 8 minutes. I don't know how much longer I could do it now, but daytime that I'm a record. I would have never missed the parade, the first parade of physical training. I miss it because of pain in the belly. When I come back, one long report they in the office about me. So I want to know when that, and I lose my strength, and then the story will continue as we go on, because I have to give you some testimonies about the things that destroy our bodies. And I use it, and in 6 weeks, I become a drug addict. Just like that. I get hooked up to crack, just like that. 6 weeks. Bam, I get it. Crack cocaine is a very dangerous, smokable form of cocaine. Also, the high lasts 5 to 15 minutes. So as soon as the high go, the user wants more. Because you want to stay high. So every 15 to 20 minutes, you want smoke. And that was very expensive habit. It costs you nearly $500 a day if you want to keep that high. $500 a day. That's why you tell the cop man, he need to move. Anything where he see he can put in hand for him, he put in hand for him. So make it get high. And I think that is it for the first segment. We open for questions. 5 quick questions and we are moving to the next segment. Yes. Stand up. That's what will be the next segment. Do you want to know how I will stop smoke? That will be the next segment. That's the way we are talking about right now. Any other questions? Yes. Huh? Make you waste some money. A waste of time and waste of money. A waste of life. Waste of pleasure. Yes. Stand up. Everything. Everything you lose control of. Next. They got a factory of a place where they make all the illegal drugs. There is the cocaine, come from a plant. Colombia have the machine where they process all the biggest cartels are Colombia. They supply the world with cocaine. How they supply the world? They put it on aircraft, and then the aircraft are released. When they land the aircraft are released, when they come to say, they don't find no drugs, but the aircraft is it, but the aircraft is full of drugs. They go by the sea, the ship they bring it, They throw it in the sea, and then it float, then the local man go pick it up. And our rich, then pick it up. Then they eat it. Don't let the police find it. Yes. Huh? Wait a minute. Why they make cigarette? Where they make it?
Why they make the infrastructure here? Why they
They make it because of money. Everybody want to get rich. So I don't care if I want to make cigarette or I want to make cocaine. I want to make it to enrich me and to kill you. That's the way they make it for enrich themselves. People want to get rich. So they look for the easiest way to get rich and then they enforce it for you. You use it and they get rich. They benefit because they don't use it. Yes. Because the business community, the businessman who want to make money, but here, tell you what, you know good for you. That's our choice. That's our choice. You decide what you want. Yes.
Who introduced drug to Belize?
Who introduced drugs to Belize? We grow it. Drugs grow here. Marijuana. When I'm in a village, I used to go to the Corozal or Raindrop or destroy all the marijuana field. And you find some tall tree, you go way back a bush and there is it. It grow right up. Huh? Yes, baby. Where they get the product? Most of them are plant. But that's how you use it. Most of them are plant. Marijuana are plant. But when you add fire to it, it changes. Where fire do? Where fire do? What fire do? Fire destroy everything, right? Anything. No, you are light one marijuana, you are light one cigarette, and you are smoke. But you don't destroy yourself, fire will kill you. Yes, baby. Huh? Definitely. That's how smoking can, you kill the brain cells. Okay. No, the meat and the matter we're going into it now. Yeah. We have how much more prize, miss? How much more prize we have? But if the boy don't answer, the girl don't answer, then the prize still. No, they don't get a belt already. Okay.
Take it off now, brother.
Huh?
We take it off now.
Yeah, good. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks again.
On behalf of the Jewett Foundation, Miss Ella Kanake and her husband, we want to say thank you for all these gifts that you have given to us and to the children of Holy Angels. We are making a difference in the lives of others. Miss Ella Kanake, as we have rightly said, is a philanthropist, have some money and she wants to distribute. So she having these programs that I will go from school to school where we'll talk to the children about education, drug education, that we can live a healthful and positive life. So she wants to make a difference in our lives by contributing these gifts. One of the trimmer that for you, coach. Given to you by Miss Kanake.
Put trim here now.
Yeah, correct.
Put trim or I can't trim?
Yeah, you could trim now.
Alright, cool. Alright, thanks again everyone for joining us on 91.7 FM. Rob Laurie, motivational speaker here at Holy Angels RC School with Thunder 4, 5, and 6. Ayo. Ayo.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Blessings.
Thank you very much, Mr. Laurie. And
Next segment.
sorry, since we're giving the gift. Sorry.
Yeah. Make the teachers get the gift one time coach if we get that.
Yes,
Alright,
on
then.
behalf of Miss Ella, we as of Jude Foundation actually, we have some gifts to give to the teachers. So Miss Gonzalez, Mrs. Sabal, and Mr. Baide.
The next one will answer the question. Next day
We also have
You may answer a question, you? Come.
okay, so we're going to do the students who answered
Answer
two
it.
questions before. Okay.
just so that we
Catherine,
facilitate DYFA.
we have Elda. Thank you.
We were giving them a
And then
certificate.
Fabian.
But we assigned the certificate before.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take pictures.
Huh? No, you didn't get them. You didn't get them. See the certificate there, man?
Get it?
Then you assign the certificate when we're done.
Got it? Alright. Then Mr. Biden. Mr. Biden, on behalf of True Foundation. Okay, thank you. Got it? Thank you. This is Sam Gonzalez. On behalf of True Foundation. Thank you. Mrs. Sabah. Our principal, Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Murray, you can go unnoticed. Then you're going to do the questions now so that we can distribute the
Yes,
certificates.
they can leave now if they feel so. The question will be at the end. We got this.
For the students,
So we have,
we only have the students.
yeah.
Because
No.
yeah, I'm one of the
This is 1, 2, 4. Okay. Oh my
One
God.
hundred. No, he got it.
The principal?
Yeah, you got the vice principal and the other son at four teachers.
Okay.
One at there at the
Then
moment.
these are the gifts.
These are the gifts. Oh, so we have 2 more girls and 1 more and 2 boys.
2 girls and 2 boys.
2 boys. Okay. Let's listen, boys and girls. We have 2 gifts for female and 2 male gifts. So 2 boys and 2 girls can get that too, okay? If you answer the questions that Mr. Rory.
Well, this is one of Miss Ella Kanaki's shirt. As you can see, the logo. And you can tell your parents about what Miss Ella Kanaki is doing for the community. She's making a difference in the lives of others. Miss can attest to it because Miss have a very good relationship with Miss Ella Kanaki. And I am just connecting with her, and I get connected with her through DYFA. DYFA is our #1 radio station in Dangwega. I would like to encourage you to listen to DYFA 91.7, 91.7, DYFA Garifuna radio station. So with that now, we continue our second segment. Second segment is about testimonies. I have given you the background about me, where I come